Good evening, Munchie Mafia. Today we are going to be learning some more about knife cuts. And today we're going to be doing some julienne cuts with red onion. If you'd like to see the other ones, go take a look at the other how-tos on dicing. Well, let's get to it. So I already cleaned this one off, and we also have this one. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut the top off, and then we're going to cut the root side off as well. Then what I like to do is I like to just put a little divot down the side. Just makes it so much easier to peel right into my little garbage bag here that I've got. It just makes it easier to peel that way instead of having to sit there and dink around with all the layers of the what I call papers. I'm really butchering the hell out of this one. Okay, there we go. Now, when it comes to julienning onion, wow, these are strong. You want to cut it in half from top to bottom. Set that aside. Then we'll go over here and we'll cut this one from top to bottom as well. Oh, holy hell, those are strong. All right, set those aside for the moment. Now, it all depends on how thick you're going to be needing for your onions. For this one, specifically, this one is for pickled red onions. So we don't want to go too thin. We don't want to go too thick. You can go thinner. You can also go thicker. We're looking for that kind of cut. Now we've gotten down to the root here. We're going to actually hack that off because we don't want that root at all. Oops, let's get rid of that. All right. You can also go the other direction from side to side, but when it comes to pickled red onion, it looks much prettier this way. And just keep going. And then we're going to take our onion and we're going to separate them into little pieces. Red onions are kind of goofy that way, in that they don't seem to be as pretty and oh wow, these things are strong. Ooh, all right. Yes, I'm crying. You guys are making me cry. Thank you, Leanne. We got to thank Leanne for this one because she wanted pickled red onions. I was supposed to make them for her last year for Christmas and just never got around to it. And now we're into September and I have no other choice because now I work with her again and she's nagging me every freaking day. So, oh my God. Holy hell. I should have taken something for this. I noticed one thing that helps me when it comes to cutting onions is taking some allergy medication. I don't know why. I don't know if that would work for you, but man. Alright. Just keep breaking them up. Try a different view so I can see it as soon as I find a paper towel to wipe the tears away. My God. Holy hell. Alright. Paper towels. Oh, sure. Yeah, just put it on camera for me. Oh, God. Oh. Wow. All right. So now we're back to the cutting board now that I can see again. So I'll try a different angle here so you can see. And when you're doing your knife cuts, you want to make sure that your fingers are curled up like that, curled inward, so that the blade actually rests up against there, but make sure that your fingers are curled like a claw so you don't cut yourself. And you can also, this also helps you to hold on to your food. So there we have it. Julienne red onions. And that's going to be it for this video. So thank you, Munchie Mafia, for coming to watch. Have a great day.